So this 10-minute video made about $37,000 from ad revenue. This 9 minutes long video made $26,000. This video made $18,000 from ad revenue so far. This video made about $27,000 from ad revenue. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I want to show you how I actually make over $20,000 for YouTube automation video, even when I'm not actually showing my face on camera. Now, I do want to be 100% honest from the start. Not all videos make over $20,000. There's definitely some that have not only not made $20,000, but you have sometimes lost money. But there definitely is quite a lot of them that made anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000. And here's a full step-by-step breakdown. So essentially, in order to actually do YouTube automation and make money on YouTube without showing your face, the first and most important step is choosing the right niche, because choosing the right niche will make sure that all the effort that you put in is worth it. If you choose the wrong niche, you may not only waste time, but you may also waste a lot of money. Here's an example channel over here that is posting celebrity gossip videos, and the owner of this channel has never really shown their face. These are completely faceless videos, yet according to view stats, they make about $8,000 to $22,000 per month just from ad revenue alone. Here's another example niche. This is like scary stories niche, and the creator of this channel has also never really recorded any videos themselves, yet as you can see, they sometimes get tens of thousands of views on these faceless videos. And this channel over here is posting car videos, and they have also never really recorded anything with a camera. It's a faceless YouTube automation channel generating thousands of dollars in ad revenue from these 10 to 15 minutes long faceless videos. Now, I wrote this entire article blog post on Medium, and I've shared it for you completely free, where I share 16 YouTube automation niche ideas for this year. These are mostly high CPM niche ideas, so you can check it out for completely free in the description box down below, or just go to Medium, find me there, and you can find this article. I've shared like different examples and ideas so you can find the right niche for yourself. That's gonna be the first step. Now, the second step, in order for these videos to actually generate ad revenue, in order for you to get paid for the views that you are getting, your channel needs to be approved into YouTube's partner program. And YouTube's partner program requirements are to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And for some people, it usually takes 6 to 12 months to meet these requirements. You would be posting content every day without earning a dollar for 6 to 12 months. But you can now also just get instantly monetized at dfydave.com/monetization, or the first link in the description box down below, so that you can make money from day one. That way you don't have to wait for 6 to 12 months, but you can start posting and monetizing content from day one. Step number 3 is to find well-performing videos in the niche that you're trying to dive into. And especially when you're starting out, you really don't want to reinvent the wheel. You just want to go with something that's proven to work in that industry. So you can just open up as many faceless channels in the exact same niche that you're trying to grow, and then just take a look at which videos have performed well for those people in that industry. So if I open up, let's say, this channel, and I'm in the celebrity niche, I can see that they usually get about 30,000 views per video, but this one 8 days ago got 500,000 views. So that's kind of like a unicorn video. It's a 1 out of 10 video, so I would really want to dive into it. I want to see what topic they've covered, and I will try to replicate it myself, and I will make it better, longer. I will switch the title and thumbnail a little bit, but I will use the same topic. And that way you will ensure that your videos you're posting have a potential in that niche. And what you can also do is you can go to vidIQ, and with vidIQ we basically have like daily ideas, so they give you daily video ideas. You have keywords section if you want to research different keywords. If you're trying to rank on search, this might be very useful. Like I recently found out about the TikTok creativity program, and I've tested that keyword here, and I saw that like there's a search volume of 800,000 and the competition is very low, so I started making videos on this topic, and all the videos were performing very well, and I made thousands of dollars because of it. Step number 4 is to make longer videos so that you can put more ads. The reason those videos that I showed made $20,000 or more, even though they're just 10 minutes long, is because we have a lot of mid-roll ads. That essentially means when your videos are over 8 minutes long, you can put more ads and you can increase your revenue without any extra work. So for example, you can open up your video analytics, you can go to the monetization tab here, and you can click on review placement, and you can start adding these mid-roll ads. So for example, if I draw this here and then I click on ad break, it's going to add another ad into the video. You obviously don't want to spam like every 10 seconds, but if you insert these ads every 1 or 2 minutes, then you can maximize your results and you can maximize your revenue. So by adding more ads, if you you had a video that's less than 8 minutes long, you only had one ad. But if you make a 10 minutes long video, you can put 5 ads in it and obviously 5x your ad revenue. Now, when it comes to faceless YouTube videos, there are effectively 5 different content elements, and those are video idea, script writing, voiceover, video editing, and thumbnail. Now, we've already covered the video idea and how to find viral video ideas and the fact that you should be making longer videos, but when it comes to script writing, I personally like to hire actual script writers. I know there's options like ChatGPT, and you can try it out in the beginning. Like if you go to ChatGPT 4, for example, you can even install these plugins. If you have Wikipedia plugin and also the Vox script plugin, you can easily rewrite scripts and make some high quality ones with these plugins, but they're just not going to be as good as if the actual human wrote those scripts themselves. And in the beginning, if you don't even want to spend money, you can write those scripts yourself. It will take time, but it might be useful. And that way you're kind of just running a faceless YouTube channel. It's not automated yet, but later down the line, you can automate it by hiring a script writer on a platform like Fiverr or Upwork. And the content element number 3 is a voiceover, narration through the video. Now, I personally just use 11 Labs for this. I used to hire actual voiceover artists, which cost me anywhere from $1.5 to $2,000 a month per my channel. But then I just started using 11 Labs because it got way too good. It sometimes gets like better than actual voiceover artists. And you can choose from all of these different voices. And in fact, you can even clone your own voice. Not that I'm doing that on different channels, but if I wanted to, I could, because I replicated my own voice so that I can just type in the script over here. Let's say, for example, these are the top 10 facts you didn't know about India. If I generate this and you listen to it, it may sound like actual Dave Nick. Let's listen to it right now. So,
I secretly booked a trip to Antarctica, but don't tell my mom. You see, one of my faceless YouTube channels made over $50,000 in 1 month. So I found...
So that was actually AI generated. It was my voice. Now, I would not use this on YouTube, but it just gives you an idea that you can do this on different social media platforms. And what's even crazier is that now you can even have like an actual presenter, like a YouTube creator for yourself, because if you go to HeyGen, you can either replicate it yourself and create a clone of yourself, or you can use one of their AI avatars, and you can essentially just upload a script or a voiceover from 11 Labs, and they will perfectly sync that with the actual avatar. So it's gonna be like a person talking into the camera like this, so you can have your own YouTube creator. Don't worry, I'm not AI generated. But this guy over here, he definitely is. I kind of cloned myself here. So this is AI generated Dave, and he also speaks into the camera. Be very careful when using AI for creating YouTube videos. YouTube really doesn't like it. And when you create those videos, you can also just optimize them with this AI tool like Taja. For example, you can just click on YouTube video here, just paste the URL once you upload it. Let's say I'm going to use this one as an example. You basically just copy the link of your YouTube video, click share, copy the URL, and then you can just paste it here, and it will help you fully optimize it before you publish it. So when your video is unlisted on your YouTube channel and you just need to optimize it before pressing the publish button, you can just use this AI tool for thumbnail, tags, chapters, and different things. So if I scroll down, it actually optimized the title for me. It also shows me how it's going to look like once I publish it. And we have a full description with chapters as well, which obviously makes it very well optimized. And then if you go down, you can also just generate thumbnail visuals for your YouTube videos, because that's going to be the final content element. Once you have the idea, the script, the voiceover, video editing, the last one before you publish is that small thumbnail image that people are going to see and then click on. I obviously do recommend creating these in Photoshop or Canva, or just by hiring a voice or hiring a thumbnail designer. You can get some really good ones. But if you're just starting out and you really don't want to do that, then here are some good ones that are fully AI generated. So this AI tool kind of tried to replicate my face. It also added some text, and this is the AI thumbnail that I could potentially use, or this one or this one. It creates like 3 different AI thumbnails that you can download and use for yourself. And again, in order to actually earn ad revenue from those videos, you need to be approved into partner programs. So I will leave a link to the instant monetization service in the description box down below. Anyways, I really hope you got some value out of this quick video, and if you did, make sure to drop a like down below, and I will see you in some of the next ones.